Now we'll be answering the fourth packet tracer, I think. No, the third packet tracer here entitled VLAN configuration. So this packet tracer is located here in the module 3 of our SRWE course. It's a VLANs, all about VLANs. Okay, should enter our name here, colon, and then our email, gmail.com. Okay, yes. Whoa, there's an IP phone. So VLAN configuration. So let's start here. Okay, there. The link lights are now green. So here we have the addressing table for all the PCs. So the objectives of this packet tracer activity is: the part 1 is verify the default VLAN configuration, part 2 is configure VLANs, and part 3 is assign VLANs to port. So this is pretty easy. Yes. So for the background of this activity, VLANs are helpful in the administration of logical groups, allowing members of a group to be easily moved, changed, or added. So this activity focuses on creating and naming VLANs and assigning access ports to specific VLANs. So for the part 1 is to view the default VLAN configuration. So for the step 1, display the current VLANs. So I said, and switch 1 issue the command that displays all VLAN configured. So by default, all interfaces are assigned to VLAN 1. So how can we show this? So enable show VLAN brief. I think this is the correct configuration command. So as you can see, all these ports, including the gigabit Ethernet ports, are assigned to the default VLAN, which is the VLAN 1. So verify for the step 2 is to verify connectivity between PCs on the same network. I think this so PC 1 can ping 4. Oh, okay. PC on the same PC and that shares the same subnet. Okay, that is the issue. So PC1 and PC4 is on the VLAN 10, 2 and 5 is on VLAN 20, 3 and 6 is on VLAN 30. So you should ping PC1 and 4. PC4 has the IP address of 172.17.10. So ping 172.17.10.24. Okay, we're getting a reply from PC4. Now we should ping PC2, PC5. Okay, so ping 27.17.20.25. We also have getting a reply here for the PC3. We'll ping PC6, which has an IP address of 172.17.30.26. Also getting a reply there. Ping to host on other networks. Okay, so let's try PC1 pinging PC6. So ping and 72.17.30.26. Okay, obviously there's a delay and then we're not getting a reply there. So for the part 2 is configure VLANs. So for the step 1, create and name VLANs on S1. So we should access the CLI, the switch 1. Okay, there is a completion score. You now have a 0% completion. So for step 1, create and name VLANs on S1. Create the following VLANs. Names are case sensitive and must match the requirement exactly. Okay, so there's a guide here. So VLAN 10 should name our faculty and stuff. Okay. Create the remaining VLANs. So VLANs, is it VLAN 20? Students. VLAN 30. Default. Okay. VLAN 99. Name. Management. And native. And for the VLAN 150, we have the voice. Use it. So verify the VLAN configuration. Which command will only display the VLAN name, VLAN status, and VLAN associated ports of the switch. So the VLAN name. Show VLAN ID 10, for example. The VLAN name, the status, and the associated ports. We don't have the ports. Not yet, we don't have the port. Okay. So create the VLANs on ST. We also need to configure the remaining switches, which is the S2 and S1. So enable config T, VLAN 10. VLAN 10 is name faculty and stuff. Okay. VLAN 20 is for the students. VLAN 30 is for guest. Then VLAN 99, name, management, and native. Okay, we have a 40% completion. VLAN 150, name, voice. So already configured the S2, now for the S3. Enable config T, VLAN 10. Name, faculty, staff. VLAN 20 is name, students. VLAN 30, name, guests, by default. And then VLAN 99 is named management, native. And VLAN 150 is name, voice. Okay, I have the 67% completion. So for the step 4, verify the VLAN configuration. How can you verify that? So Vlan brief. We have here the VLANs 10, 20, 30 to 50, but still don't have assigned some ports to these VLANs. Okay. So for the part 3, assign VLANs to ports. So assign VLANs to the active ports on this. Let's configure that. Why can it assign? It's not of the same. Okay, so assign VLANs to active ports on S2. So VLAN 10. So why can't I ping this? It does not configure VLANs in the first place. Okay, whatever. So S2 here. So VLAN 10. Oh, not in the same network. Oh, okay. I think because this is not on the same network. It's just /24. So that is because it's not on the same network. So we can't configure this. So we can only ping the PC on the same network, I think. So okay. Interface. That's 2. Interface F0/11. Switch port. Mode access. And switch port. Access VLAN. Okay. So this port here for VLAN 10. Dash 18, it should be VLAN 30, switch port, mode access, VLAN 20. Mode access, some VLANs on switch. So these are the trunk links. We're not configuring it yet. So for the switch tree, interface, switch port, mode access, switch port, access, VLAN 10. Then interface 18, mode ops, VLAN 20, then 6 access, 25%. Now for the step 3, assign the voice VLAN to fast Ethernet 0/11. Okay, so as shown in the topology, the S3 fast Ethernet 11 interface connects to a Cisco IP phone and PEC4. So IP phone contains an integrated 3-port 10 to 100 switch. So one port of the switch is labeled. So switch and connects to F0. So another port, the phone is labeled PC, next to the PC port. So an internal port connects to the IP phone. So tabs are hiding. So S3 fast Ethernet must be configured to support user traffic to PC4 using VLAN 10 and voice traffic to the iPhone using VLAN 15. The interface must also enable QoS quality of service and trust the class of service costs. So this command helps the switch port provide the minimum interface. For the switch 3, switch 2, interface F0/11, then MLS, QoS, trust, cost, then switch port, voice access, voice VLAN 150. If I'm correct. So verify loss of connectivity PC, then share the same config and try others. Command on S2 and answer the following question based on your knowledge. Okay. So from the PC, the PC is 2. Show VLAN brief. Try pinging PC 1 and 4. Okay, let's see. I think this will not successful on 7.2.17. I think because the trunk ports are not configured. What could be done to resolve this issue? So we should allow trunk port. So let's see. Let's see if I can resolve this. So config T. So interface. Let's see. Interface G0/1. Switch port. Mode trunk. Mode trunk. Switch port. Switch port native VLAN. Switch port trunk. Native VLAN is equal to, what is our native VLAN? Native VLAN is 99. Switch port allowed. Vlan, we have 10, 20, and 30. Aha. Consistent lang yan, so we're just trying to configure this. So exit, interface, G0/1, so 2. So switch port, mode trunk, switch port, trunk, native VLAN 99, switch port, trunk, allowed VLAN 10, 20, and 30. I think we should also allow the interfaces from the switch 1 config T. If this does not work, and then we're done. Interface G0/1, switch port, mode, trunk, switch port, trunk, native VLAN 99, switch port, trunk, allowed VLAN 10, 20, and 30. Okay, so interface G0/2, switch port, mode access, switch port, trunk, native VLAN 99, switch port, trunk, switch port, trunk, allowed VLAN 10, 20, and 30. Okay. Fast forward this. Let's see if we can ping the PC4 now. So it does not. Okay. Let's see. Still can ping this. That's okay. So I think the solution of this the solution for this problem is on the next packet tracer activity. So we now completed the completion score. So check results. We already configured all of that. So that's all.